The solution to this example, first thing we asked is for a color scale. So I'm going to highlight that area there. Notice I don't highlight these, otherwise these will affect the colorings on here. So what we're going to say is home conditional formatting color scales. We're going to use this one where green is the highest number, red is the lowest number. That's currently Excel's doing its own thing, deciding what it's going to turn red, yellow, and green. So I'm going to go to Manage Rules, going to edit it. The lowest value must be red, that's fine. Midpoint, we've been told, must use that cell there. So I'm going to use a number, and I'm going to say look at that cell there. Highest value is that, okay. I'm going to say okay. And you'll see we get that type of split. What we're now going to do is add our icons. So what we want is ticks and crosses, depending on whether it's bigger or less than whatever's in there. Same thing, I've highlighted that area. I'm going to go to the icons, go to the tick and cross. When I switch it on, you'll see I'm meant to only have a tick or cross, but I've got a whole bunch of exclamation marks as well. I'm going to go to Manage Rules. So that one we're happy with. We need to change this one. I'm going to say Edit Rule. Don't use the percent. I'm going to say use a number. So it must be a tick when it's bigger than or equal to whatever's in that cell there. And this one will just refer to the same cell. And when I say OK, you'll see it changes it. So now we've only got ticks and crosses.